Welcome back. The Congress-led Karnataka government in a recent notification has mandated Urdu as a must-know language for candidates applying for the jobs of Anganwadi teachers in the districts of Mudigere and Chikmagaluru. This decision has invited sharp criticism from BJP and Kannada groups. The BJP has accused the Congress-led Karnataka government of indulging in appeasement politics and prioritizing Urdu over Kannada. Pro-Kannada groups are demanding withdrawal of this circular. BJP leaders in Karnataka are terse in their criticism. BJP's C.T. Ravi has compared this move to what Nizams and Tipu Sultan did. He says Congress is turning the dream of Nizams into reality.
निजाम ने हैदराबाद कर्नाटका रीजन में उन्होंने उर्दू प्रमोट करने के लिए कोशिश किया। कन्नड़ा स्कूल के ऊपर बैन लगाया था उनका जमाने में। उन्हें देश छोड़कर भाग गया निजाम का प्रेतात्मा कांग्रेस के अंदर घुस गया है। घुस करके निजाम का काम कांग्रेस कर रहा है। आज कांग्रेस पार्टी टिप्पू का सपना साकार करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है, निजाम का सपना साकार करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है। ये कन्नड़ विरोधी लोग हैं।
Now, the controversy stems from an official order from the Department of Women and Child Welfare. As per this notification, applicants for the job of Anganwadi teachers in Mudigere and Chikmagaluru must be proficient in Urdu apart from knowing Kannada. What's the reason behind making the knowledge of Urdu mandatory for those applying for the post of Anganwadi teachers in these two districts of Karnataka? Well, these are districts where the minority population is more than 25%. In Chikmagaluru, the Muslim population as per the 2011 census is more than 25%, and in Mudigere, the Muslim population is 31.28%. The state government says since kids will also be speaking in their mother tongue, a knowledge of Urdu is required. But they have also made it clear that Urdu is not being prioritized over Kannada.
कर्नाटक सरकार को सोचना चाहिए, क्या वो अपनी मातृभाषा को भी द्वितीय भाषा करके छोड़ेंगे क्या? जब वहां पे एक मातृभाषा कन्नड़ है, कन्नड़ के अंदर काम हो रहा है, दूसरी मातृभाषा हमारी हिंदी है, हिंदी में होना चाहिए, लेकिन वहां जिस प्रकार से रीजनल और धार्मिक भाव को पैदा कर उन्माद फैलाने का काम किया जा रहा है, मुझे वाकई राज्य सरकार को भी उसको मानना भी नहीं चाहिए, मान्यता भी नहीं चाहिए। ना वहां का कर्नाटक की जनता भी माफ नहीं करेगी, ना उसको मान्यता देगी, ना देश मान्यता देगा इसको।
We have Imran joining us on the broadcast with more details. Imran, the war of words has begun. BJP says appeasement. Congress says we are not prioritizing Urdu over Kannada. Imran, can you hear me? All right, Imran, we are not able to hear you. There seems to be a problem, but the state government has responded to the criticism. The state government says since kids from these areas where the minority population is over 25% will speak in their mother tongue, and that's why for the Anganwadi teachers, a knowledge of Urdu is required. But I've also made it clear that Urdu is not being prioritized over Kannada by them through this order. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.